Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy remote alarm. This is for water and freeze sensor. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now the first thing is it does come with a 2-year battery, but it has a piece of plastic on it. You really want to make sure and remove that piece of plastic. It's kind of clear, but you do need to kind of cut it and remove it. Next, we're going to look here. We got an unlock. There's the sync button, but you're going to rotate the top cap to unlock and it comes off. Now you got a little spring here. That side with its flat is going to go to the spring. You're going to plug it in. It does have an up arrow. All right, now line up the lines with unlock, rotate it to lock. Now there is a light. It's kind of hidden. It's right here. Now in the eufy security app, you're going to want to click on alarm system, add an alarm system component. Click on water and freeze sensor. Okay, they want you to press the sync button until the LED light is blinking. There, I can see it now, it's blinking. All right. Okay, so you do have to have a home base. Now this is the home base 3. You do have to have this. This connects, you do have to run a LAN cable from here to your router. And then this is the router that transmits the Wi-Fi signal. But you do have to have this home base. This is what the actual, now there is a hard drive in here for the video cameras that I have, but that's the sensor connects to this, and that sensor has to be relatively close to this home base. And you'll hear when this is online, I heard this say that a device was connected to it. Again, this is the home base 3. Okay, so these are the contacts that are going to sense the water. So the device is 2.5, which we're going to test it. 2.5 sticks up about 1 inch. So once you've got it added, they're going to want you to test it. Okay, I got a plate here, and they want you to put it, I got some water on that plate. They want you to see if the red light comes on. The red light does come on. And I got a notification on my app saying it had something. So now it will show up under my devices. I labeled it as basement. I'm going to put this as my basement water level sensor. And if I look in on the status of it, it says no water is detected right now. But when I put it, when water does happen, I do get an event, I get a notification, and it says water is detected. Wow, setup was super simple and it works great. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.